Bridging that way you say. So me want to know what the streets have to say.
What do you think about the government decision to make Vybz Kartel be a national hero?
National hero? No, so I'm not thinking ready for that yet. I'm going to be national zero.
Wagwan peeps, you don't know boy JNL back at it again after one long again. Because last time I said again and I not come back again until now. You get to me and say, but you know, with the downtown Kingston, because here, why with the downtown Kingston so often? Because I stop half a tree and see say, yo, the crowd. Mad Meji, where you need, Bell? Yeah. Focus. You don't know where they are downtown Kingston because we stop half a tree and we see say, yo, the crowd are too there. So we say, alright. And we say, here, what the best place to go? Downtown Kingston. You get to me and say, so right now with the downtown Kingston. And the question of the day is, what you think about the government decision to make Vybz Kartel be a national hero? So what you know, a street say, and about what me have to say. So we are going to the streets right now and find out what the people in downtown Kingston have to say about that. You see me? So forward. Alright, my G, first thing, give me a name.
Yeah, my name Trevor Anish, you know, son boss, never last, you know. You know them ready girl them see when them now pass, you know.
Alright, yeah, Gaza fun.
Yeah, from birth, right now, every day neck, from Gaza come back, Bounty Killer started about the Gaza, them man there do the powers, the man there the powers boss. I know them ready, them man they bring the thing to a higher level.
Alright, so since as Kartel your boss, right?
Yeah.
You are the question for the day now, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about the government decision to make Kartel be a national hero?
Well, I wouldn't say to be a national hero, you know, because Bob Marley do more than what him do.
Yeah.
Right? But I would say even he's a reggae icon.
Yeah.
Right?
Dancehall.
Yeah, dancehall icon.
Yeah.
So I think we should have here to say, well, boy, as a top artist, right, him have a lot of influence on the youths. And I think him, to a person like that now, you can be able to use him, ask him how him can really correct the youth. Because the youth will listen to Kartel.
Yeah.
And I see that the youth, they're more take on to him and they love him. Right? So he's a valuable asset to our youth to the youth
to
to the country.
You can go and good, man.
Can go on?
Yeah, man.
You sure? What make you say that?
In sure, go and good, pay money, make you see him. You know, I will pop for a drink and enjoy myself.
So you go to the show?
Yeah.
Well, him deserve it for sure, you know. I am telling you why him do most things enough you never do. Enough man never do see him way.
Like what?
Well, there, me and say John the year line black up. You see me? I'm not even 1 year since I come back in the days because I make sure question my granny and my old people. Man.
Yeah.
Me say that never go on, so I could have hold this man so powerful that everybody talk about it, don't it? I saw it thing going one Vybz Kartel, man. But I don't have my artists still, bad people there more. But you can't, I'm telling you, I have to get to Caesar where I do to Caesar nowadays, you see me? Yeah. Vybz Kartel one of the most baddest DJ ever in history in Jamaica, whole Jamaica and the whole wide world. Yeah. But bad people must say move.
Oh yeah, me, the man deserve it, because guess what? Number one, you know, the man have a talent, you know, and I remember that, you know. God give him a talent, the man use it to bring the world to a situation where he can angle it. Remember saying that the government, I know what they're doing, because them lead the country, you know. Yeah. When Andrew Holness do him thing and him go over the India prison, man do a thing. It's a reason why a man do it. I don't know the reason why, but him know the reason why. You see, it.
So you know there's a reason why?
Because Andrew say him need help. Because Jamaica is a country, that's a small country. Guess what? Them not have really resources to take care of the country, them. Because guess what? We're small. And most of the things they will have right now are just for the people in the country. And number one, the second thing, the third thing too, we are growing a population. You see it?
Well, Vybz Kartel, it's not, I will tell you. Vybz Kartel is just a simple man. Him alright still, him think shot. I'm not saying nothing bad about it.
Yeah, so you say him can be a national hero? Yeah. Like Sam Sharp and...
Yeah, him can be a hero.
National, them done a national hero already, because the world done look already, them don't have them life, you know, you see me? Yeah. So I just it's for justice by him still, you see me? Yeah.
So you say him done a national hero already?
Already, man, we all a Jamaican, you know.
Why you say him a national hero already?
Alright, because the man so great. Him do the push out the best music, them. Him push out music for the youth, them, the man, the church, them, the woman, them. Him so unique. in this world, they never find a next man like that born and coming at this world.
Yeah.
Him so unique and so clever.
Yeah.
Unusual. Never find a next man. Vybz Kartel are the best artist.
Boy, the way you talk, you sound passionate, man.
Alright, definitely passionate, confident.
What do you think about the government decision to make Vybz Kartel be a national hero?
Boy, I even can't answer that question, but I say free up the youth.
Yeah.
Free up the youth.
So I'm not free up, man?
Yeah, I say make him go ahead and deal with the procedure.
Yeah.
Be a, you see me, a governance.
Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel, a world boss, man. Yeah, man.
Yo, stop loving it, yeah, dog. Vybz Kartel are the teacher, you know, world boss. My king of dancer, you never know.
Yeah.
Big him up, man.
So you say, a dog fit to be national hero?
Fit for be national hero.
What you say?
In the same concern go on how much people go. Yeah, man.
He could all be the prime minister.
Yeah?
Not even a national hero, prime minister.
What you say?
Because I wanted the money them with him face, man. One of the money.
Yeah.
The king of dancer, man. Yeah, king of dancer, Vybz Kartel, man.
So you say a dog fit for?
Yeah.
What make you say that?
Opinion, king of dancer, man. He's a great man.
Great man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that fox, man. That's a fox, man.
You say a fox?
Yeah, man, can inspire enough little youth.
Yeah.
Maybe good, you know.
Yeah.
And right now, everybody look up to him, saying, can be the right thing, that man. He feels up a true, man. Yeah.
What do you think about the government decision to make Vybz Kartel be a national hero?
It's a wicked piece of art that, you know, but if him deserve it, you give him it, you know.
Yeah.
Because everything him do, the people them follow. And that's basically them say the hero do.
Yeah.
So if him deserve it, give him it.
That be the best decision, is it? Because I'm a really guide the young youths, them, you know. Yeah, man, I really am a guide the young youths, them, you know. But while you see some little cross about the place, I say, yo, you for scam man do this and scam man do that, you know. You see, I can't tell you. Just a motivator for just take up your book and all of them, something there, is it?
What do you think about the government decision to make Vybz Kartel be a national hero?
National hero? No, so I'm not thinking ready for that yet. I'm going to be national zero. Can't be hero yet, man. You know, I have to go live a little longer first, like the next 25 years probably. If I do good for you, them. You understand? Him say him and his son there and him dash and gun them. So him have to know say what I do. I have to do a whole heap of good things.
Whole heap of good things?
Whole heap of good things to be hero. Hero not just come so. You see, I saw the things said. Yeah, and you talk to, watch your pussy. Who you talk to? Watch your pussy you talk to. Watch your pussy.
Who name so?
That's me your name, so man. How are the bombardier?
Oh, you get that name there?
Me get that name there. I true me love look when the girl them put.
And the boss, that's straight, man. Just when the boss do him thing, I just put two step together and just do the match the right and proper way. Teacher straight up. Lord, big up the boss.
Alright, cool, G. Next question, right? The last question, you know.
Yeah.
What do you think about Vybz Kartel, Str8 Vybz, rum?
Yo, I want them to drink them on a rum. They want a thing named Fever.
Yeah.
My youth are the hottest thing right now. Is it Fever? Are the hottest thing right now, dad. Just believe. Yeah, the man say, Fever. Why you put on it?
You know, I never drink it yet. I never really taste it. I hear about the rum, but I never drink it yet. Yeah, I never taste it yet.
You need to taste it, man.
Right? Whatever I get a buckle, I welcome with it.
Alright.
Right?
So we're gonna link Vybz Kartel and make sure so we get a few buckle and forward downtown Kingston. So for y'all who don't know it taste, we're gonna make you know it taste.
Alright.
What you say about that?
That is true, because I would have liked to know it taste if it's the same Jerry and never taste. Right?
A different taste, man.
A different taste. Well, boy, I say, well, boy, I can't tell.
Yeah.
I drink, I produce of your mission.
You drink good?
You drink good?
Yeah.
What you mix it with?
With boom and Campari.
Right, I want to give drama. You know what's about that rum bed though? What they only just bought me buy the unstoppable and bring it go across my Spanish now up on my live.
Yeah.
Or Church Street and or White Church Street and thing and the dog them the fever me did buy and the unstoppable after. And I tell you say them bad, the straight. I just them me drink the red one. The red one name again?
Ramping Shop.
Ramping Shop. And I tell you say that one day. The one that beat like beat like VX
Yeah.
in our way. Yeah, man. Them things say that. You see the man stop run never from sell them. I be a straight by body I drink. Nobody not too want to white from run never again. For do what?
For do what?
No, that no work.
That no work.
New thing I go on now. New year. Oh, my son.
Yeah, so-
Alright, sir. Blessing.
What you think about Vybz Kartel, Str8 Vybz rum?
But it's alright, it's shot. No problem no night.
Which one you like?
Vybz.
Eh?
Vybz.
No man, which one of the rum them? Remember you have Ramping Shop, Unstoppable. You get me and say Fever. And which one again? I remember the next one.
Can work with the fever.
Fever.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them man go on, cause anything you making it ever go on. Yeah, man. Definitely, you see me?
You tried it?
No, I'm not try it, but I buy one and try still. You see me? I say, straight up, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Cause we all look for the flavor them and thing, the fever them, you see me?
Yeah.
I bust one of them, man, cause you don't know a Vybz Kartel, you know?
Yeah.
If you street, you look out for the ghetto youth, them, you know? Remember where I come from, you see it? Yeah. So oneness, you know? One love, one heart, one destiny, you know?
But the people know them can find them and how you selling them thing, man.
Yeah, Wood Street, you know, you see me? So anytime you want, you see me, I deal Gaza this, so anytime, just like me a Yearwood Street, man. You see me, we got 4 corners of the earth, you know.
Yeah.
Cause East Parade, West Parade, North Parade, South Parade. Yeah. You see me, all of them, man, there. You see me?
Road man, street, fully 100 man. 100.
Which one is my favorite?
Str8 Vybz. Str8 Vybz the boss man.
Yeah, you must say you have Fever, you have Ramping Shop, you have Unstoppable.
What rum? Str8 Vybz I prefer man. Str8 Vybz I prefer, you know.
Like liquor, we make you bad man.
Bad. Which one do you like?
Fever, say him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you go on, cause me beat one over there and you go on, man. You have a vibe, man, you have a buzz, man.
Yeah.
One thing when Cartel touch still a goal.
Yeah. Anything him touch a goal.
Yeah, anything him touch a goal, man.
Yeah.
Right now, if you want to touch all them chicken neck and gizzard, right now, sell, man, shelter for whole place.
But you know, I don't drink rum, but that's a for real. The rum it them. Well, for them like it, it will sell.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will sell.
No, you're not supposed to drink rum, but what you think about Str8 Vybz rum?
I tell you, man, a straight fever that man, them something no good for you, you know. I tell you, man.
What you say?
Mash up your brain, man.
Mash up your brain.
Mash it up.
So like your brain get mashed up in that time?
Yeah, man. First out and wake up and you know, which plan me there? Yeah, man, you see it.
Vybz rum?
Yeah.
Well, who want drinking a drink and drop a gun? Because for the rum, enough people are going to drink rum. Because rum is something where people drink. You understand me? So from Vybz Kartel come with rum, people are going to drunk. I hope when them drunk, they're not turn fool and do foolishness.
Yeah.
That's how things said.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching yet another video. You get to me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And what do you think? Government never say nothing like that. Disclaimer, the government never say nothing like that. This was just for entertainment purpose, and just to see what people are going to say. You get to me, so thank you guys for watching. You don't know your boy Channel, and Trick Question is coming back officially. You get to me, as of next week, in January, we're going to start get back some Trick Question, along with some more street say, and them things. You get me, I say? Thank you guys for watching. You don't know your boy JNL, and I'm out. Big up Vybz Kartel.